this is the continuation of the previous video. So in a sample of 100 logic chips, 23 have a defect D1. So that means defect D1 are 23. 26 have a defect D2. 30 have a defect D3. So total how many sets we have? 3 number of sets we have. And 7 have defect D1 and D2. Here in this chapter, AND means intersection we get. OR means union. So 7 have defect D1 and D2. 7 have defect, both the defects D1 and D2. 8 have defects D1 and D3. 8 defects, 8 number of chips has defect D1 and D3. 10 have defect D2 and D3. 3 have all of the 3 defects. All 3 defects. Find the number of chips having at least one defect. So how many number of chips having at least one defect? At least one defect means either D1 or D2 or D3 or all together. No defect. No defects means there is no defect, this is good chip. Okay, so that these two questions we have to solve. So in the question, how many number of sets we have? Defect D1, defect D2, defect D3. So take the defect D1 as set A, defect D2 as set B, defect D3 as set C. So solution, so total number of chips, how many we have? 100. So total chips that equals to mod u equals to 100. So now defect D1, take it as a set A. So mod A, the number of defects in D1 denoting with mod A equals to 23. Defect D2, so that is total number of defects D2, that is denoting with mod B. Mod B equals to how many we have? 26 have defect D2. Defect D3 have 30. So 26 defect D3, that is mod C equals to 30. And 7 have defect D1 and D2, that is A and B. That is mod A intersection B equals to 7. Next, defect D1 and D3. That means D1 we are denoting with A, D3 we are denoting with C. So mod A intersection C equals to 8. Next, 10 have defect D2 and D3. Defect D2 and D3, that means B and C. So mod B intersection C equals to 10. And 3 have all the 3 defects. That is mod A intersection B intersection C equals to 3. So what we have to calculate? At least one defect. At least one defect we have to calculate. At least one defect means either A or B or C or total 3. So A union B union C we have to calculate. So the number of defects, at least the number of chips have at least one defect we have to calculate. So that means A union B union C we have to calculate. So second one, no defect. No defect means there is no defect 1, there is no defect 2, there is no defect 3, there is no combination. So that means this is at least one defect. If you subtract at least one defect from the total number, we get the number of chips which has no defect. Okay, I repeat once again. No defect means there is no defect 1 chip, there is no defect 2 chip, there is no defect 3 chips. So they are good chips with there is no defects. So that means how can we calculate no defect? So we have to subtract at least one defect from the total chips. So the answer we get no defect chips. So no defect equals to mod u minus, so no defect chips means mod u A union B union C bar. So that equals to mod U minus A union B union C. Mod A union B union C we have to get. So at least one defect. So first one, at least one defect, that equals to mod A union B union C equals to. We have to calculate this one. So by the principle of inclusion and exclusion, we get mod A plus mod B plus mod C minus mod A intersection B minus mod A intersection C minus mod B intersection C plus mod A intersection, sorry, mod is A intersection B intersection C. That's it. So this equals to, what is mod A? 23 plus 26 plus 30 minus 7 minus 8 minus 10 plus 3. Total we get 57. So at least one defect, that means either A or B, either defect 1 or defect 2 or defect 3 or all together the chips are 57. Okay, so second one, no defect. No defect means at least no defect, at least one defect also should not be. So that means this is at least one defect. The complement of this is no defect. So how can you calculate this one? Mod U minus mod A union B union C. What is mod U? 100 minus defect 1 is 57. So remaining 1 is 43. 43 chips are no defect chips. That is no defect 1, no defect 2, no defect 3. Okay. Next problem. A survey of 500 television viewers of a sport channel produced the following information. So one sports channel has conducted survey for conducting 500 members. Okay, so they have given information. Out of these 500, 285 watch cricket, 195 watch hockey, 115 watch football, and 45 watch cricket and football. 45 members watch cricket and football, 70 members watch cricket and hockey, 50 watch hockey and football, and 50 do not watch anything. They don't watch anything. So how many viewers in the survey watch all the three kinds of games? How many viewers watch exactly one of the sports? So how many sports channels we have? Cricket, hockey and football games. So three sets. So first cricket set, take as set A. So number of television survey, number of television, number of members in the survey, number of members in the television survey equals to mod U equals to 500 members. So cricket, number of viewers, mod A, take it as mod A, so that equals to 285. Hockey, how number of members watch hockey, take it as B, that is 195. Football, take it as more C set 115. So now next 45 watch cricket and football. Cricket and football. So he is watching cricket as well as football. Both the games they are watching. So cricket is denoting with A and football is denoting with C. So mod A intersection C. Be careful. Actually it is in the order 50 watch hockey, 45 watch cricket and football. So cricket is denoting with A, football is denoting with C. So mod A intersection C equals to 45. Now next 70 watch cricket and hockey. Cricket A, hockey B. So A intersection B equals to 70. Next 50 watch hockey and football. Hockey and football B and C. So mod B intersection C equals to 50. 50 to do not watch any of the three games. Do not watch any of the three games. That means either A or B or C. Okay, they don't watch. Okay, A union B union C bar equals to how many? So 50. So from this we can calculate A union B union C equals to mod U minus mod A union B union C complement. So this equals to 500 minus 50 equals to 450. So at least one of the game, the number of viewers can watch at least means either A or B or C or all together channels. All the three channels can watch. Members is number of members are 450. Mod A union B union C equals to 450. Now what they are asking, how many viewers in the survey watch all the three kinds of games? All the three kinds games, and that means A and B and C, all the three games. They should, how many members watch cricket and hockey and football? All the three games, and cricket and hockey and football, and means intersection. So what is the first question we have to answer? First bit is how many watch all the three kinds of games. All the three kinds of games, that is A and not R and B and C. So that is mod A intersection B intersection C we have to calculate. We know that by the principle of inclusion and exclusion of three sets, mod A union B union C equals to mod A plus mod B plus mod C minus mod A intersection B minus mod A intersection C minus mod B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. This one we have to calculate. Take this to left side, or take remaining all except A intersection B intersection C we have to calculate. So take all this to left side. So we get mod A intersection B intersection C equals to mod A union B union C minus mod A minus mod B minus mod C plus mod A intersection B plus mod A intersection C plus mod B intersection C. So this equals to A union B union C is 450 minus mod A value 285 minus mod B value 195 mod C value 115 mod A intersection B value 45 plus mod A intersection C value 50 mod B intersection C value 70. Now simplify this one, we get 20. So therefore, the number of viewers who watch all the three kinds of games, the number of viewers who watch all the three kinds of games, equals to 20. Okay. Now second bit, how many viewers watch exactly one of the sport? How many viewers watch exactly one of the sports? One of the sports means how many viewers watch exactly cricket? How many viewers watch exactly hockey? How many viewers exactly watch football? We have to calculate. So all the three we have to calculate. So second bit is exactly cricket. First we calculate exactly cricket. Exactly cricket means, suppose see, this is football, this is hockey, this is cricket. Okay, Exactly this one means we have to calculate this one. So what is this? By the theorem I told you, previous video I told you in the previous video, what is this? Only A. Okay, only A. Only A means from the three sets, A minus B minus C. In this only A, you have to subtract B and you have to subtract C. So A minus B minus C. So how to calculate mod A minus B minus C from the theorem? Exactly, cricket. That is mod A. Mod A. We have to calculate mod A minus B minus C. This equals to, what is mod A, mod A minus B minus C? Mod A minus mod A intersection C minus mod A intersection B, mod A intersection B, A intersection C plus mod A intersection B intersection C. Just go through previous video. I told you one theorem. Mod A minus B minus C equals to mod A minus mod A intersection B minus mod A intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. What is mod A? 285 minus 70 minus 45 plus 20. This equals to 190. Exactly, cricket. The viewers can watch exactly cricket equals to 190 members. Now next in the second bit same, exactly hockey. Exactly hockey. Hockey is set B. Now see, suppose only this I want to get. Only hockey. Only this I want to get. So total this is B. From the B, you have to subtract C and you have to subtract A. Okay, you have to subtract C and you have to subtract A. So only this one. So that means mod B minus A minus C. So this equals to, see, observe, compare this formula. How can we write? First value mod B minus A intersection B, A intersection C. So B intersection A minus B intersection C plus mod B intersection A intersection C. So what is mod B value? 195 minus 70 minus 50 plus 20 equals to 95. So the viewers which hockey, exactly watch hockey equals to 95 members. In the same way, exactly football. Exactly football. That equals to C. Now subtract A, B from C. We get only C. So mod C minus mod C intersection A minus mod C intersection B plus mod A intersection B intersection C. So what is mod C value? 115 minus 45 minus 50 plus 20 equals to 40. So exactly watch cricket at 190, exactly watch hockey 95, exactly watch football 40. So therefore the number of viewers watch exactly 1. So 190 plus 95 plus 40. So therefore the number of viewers watch exactly 1. Watch exactly 1. Exactly 1 means either cricket or hockey or football. Exactly 1. Or so plus we get. So 20, exactly 190 plus 95 plus 40. This equals to 325. So this is the answer. Now next problem. Determine the number of positive integers n such that 1 less than or equals to n less than or equals to 100 and n is not divisible by 2, 3 or 5. Okay, so what is the set? The total set which have integers 100. In between 100, inclusion of 1 and 100. So the numbers we have to find the numbers which are not divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or all together. So suppose the numbers which are not divisible by 2, the numbers which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 3, we have to find not divisible. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 or 3 or 5. First you have to analyze what we have to calculate. First you have to understand. We have to find in between 1 to 100. So 1 to 100 means 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 100. So in between these integers, we have to find how many numbers which are not divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So suppose if you take 2 as A, 3 as set B and 5 as set C. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 are all together not divisible. So this one you have to calculate. Okay, this one we have to calculate. So how can we calculate this one? Mod mod A union B union C complement equals to mod U minus mod A union B union C. So we have to calculate this one. So A union B union C. A means the numbers which are which are not divisible. This is which are divisible. So which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 3, which are divisible by 5. So take you write like this. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3. A means total number of sets. We are denoting U. So okay, then take U. U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 100. So mod U equals to what we get? 100. Okay. Now let A1 or B or A, B, C or take or A1, B1, A2, anything you can. Let A be the set of integers. Let A be the set of integers which are divisible by 2. Which are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. That equals to, that is mod A equals to 100 by 2. That equals to 50. Okay. Let B be the set of, let B be the set of integers which are divisible by 3, which are divisible by 3. That is mod B equals to 100 by 3. That equals to 33 point something we get. So we just take this one, step function. We use the step function. So 33 integer only part we take. Now next let C be the set of integers which are divisible by 5. So that is mod C equals to 100 by 5. That equals to 20. Now we have to calculate A union B union C. What is the formula? A union B union C, mod A plus mod B plus mod C minus mod A intersection B minus mod B intersection C minus mod A intersection B. So now A intersection B, the numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3. Both 2 and 3, that is A intersection B. So mod A intersection B. A intersection B is the set of A intersection B is the set of integers which are divisible by which are divisible by which are divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So mod A intersection B equals to 100 by LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 100 by 6. 100 by 6 is 16. Now next A intersection C is the set of integers which are divisible by 2 and 5. So that is mod A intersection C equals to 100 by 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So 10. Now next B intersection C is the set of integers which are divisible by 3 and 5. So that is mod B intersection C equals to 100 by 3 5s are 15. So that equals to 10. Now mod A intersection B intersection C is the set of integers which are divisible by 2 and 3 and 5. Okay, this equals to mod A intersection B intersection C equals to 100 by the LCM of 2, 3, 5 is 15. Okay, so this equals to 6. LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Sorry, 30. So that this is 3. Now we have all the number of sets. Therefore, mod A union B union C equals to mod A plus mod B plus mod C minus mod A intersection B minus mod A intersection C minus mod B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. This equals to, what is mod A? 50. What is mod A value? 100 by 10 to 50 plus 33 plus 20 minus A intersection B 16, A intersection C 10, B intersection C 6 plus 3. This equals to, you just go through, simplify this one, you'll get 74. This is A union B union C. That means, what is this? The number of integers which are divisible by either 2 or 3 or 5. This is, what is the meaning of this one? The number of integers which are divisible by 2 or 3, 2 or 3 or 5 or 1. Okay, or simply you can say that the number of integers which are divisible by at least one of 2 comma 3 comma 5. We can write any sentence of like this. But in the question, what they are asking, the number of integers which are not divisible by 2 comma 3 comma 5, which are not divisible. Okay, that means mod A union B union C bar we have to calculate. That is mod U minus mod A union B union C. Mod U equals to 100 minus 74, we get 26. So therefore, the number of integers which are not divisible by which are not divisible by 2 comma 3 comma 5 equals to 26. This is the answer. I hope everyone liked this video. If you like this video, subscribe and click on like button. Thank you.